Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm in Volkswagen ID.3 and as you can see straight away the problem that we're dealing with today is the main infotainment screen. You can see that damage here. It's got a crack that just started traveling already through the screens. This is unfortunately not repairable, so we will be replacing this whole screen. So let's get to it and we show you when it's all done. Right, we've got the new screen in. So as you can see, it's all back to as it should be. No cracks, no damage in here. While we were doing the repair, we also had to replace the screen electronics because they had issues as well. So both things are replaced and it's all fully back up and running and fully working just as from factory. For more information, check the links in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.